YouTube fam? I'm going right now to do a rolling shot to make an intro, and also I'm gonna be popping a little bit smoke, so it's gonna be really nice. It's gonna be a sick intro, guys. I'm very excited. This video is pretty much behind the scenes video how I make my intro. So I'm going right now with my friends. They're gonna help me make a rolling shot on the highway, and then from there we'll head to a park and make a nice intro for the car. And let's see. Keep watching, guys. I really appreciate those who subscribe to my channel. It's motivated right now, and keep up the hard work on my end, and all you guys that support me. All right, I really appreciate it. Finally here at the spot. Memory's almost full. We're all here. And coincidence, our cord is already there at the spot where I want to do my intro. So that's funny. And yeah, I'm gonna put the intro right there. But look, I'm trying to bet them over there or here. See. Yo, who's jumping in there? $100.
What?
Who's jumping in there? $100. Who's going? $100.
You give me $100 if I go in here?
Nah, bro, you gotta jump far away from here. Nah, don't do it, bro. It's yours. It's broken.
Yeah, it's weak.
No, it's weak. Don't do it, bro. All right, we're gonna get him started with the lights. Where is it? I'll show you real quick. Right here. So that's red smoke, so we're gonna pop these, and I'm just gonna put them right underneath, and then we're good to go.
There's no smoke coming out of it though.
No.
It's still on fire. You can put the fire out.
Oh, there it goes. Wait.
Wait.
No.
Yo, that shit's not going out.
Wait. No. Back up.
Guys, this is why I recorded that intro yesterday, so pretty much it's yesterday now, because behind the scenes video is done, and I could do better with the you know, the smoke and everything like that. So next time I'll get a better one and I'll make a better intro, and I hope this one was really good. But look at that, all the snow we got. I did do ceramic coating, so it helps a lot, and I did that yesterday. So you can see ceramic coating does help. Pretty nice. And I'll show you guys right now, quick. See that? That's thanks to the products. But either way, thanks for watching, and I'll definitely make a better one. It was pretty funny. I laughed at it. Yeah, peace out. Thanks for the support, guys.